Hi all, good evening. I'm Sandeep and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing fine. In this video, we are going to build one Agentic AI application with combined knowledge base with Agno framework, then PgVector database, Gemini Embedder and also Llama4 model. So let's get started. So this is a project for building Agentic AI application with combined knowledge base with Agno, PgVector, database, GeminiEmbedder and also Llama4 LLM. So in this project, we are going to basically first build a combined knowledge base and providing that combined knowledge base to AI agent along with the Llama4 LLM for answering various queries of users. So for building the application, Streamlit library is used in Python. So at first we created a PDF URL knowledge base. After that, we create a local PDF knowledge base. So one PDF URL based PDF knowledge base, another is local PDF knowledge base. So then we just combine both of the knowledge bases. Okay, and then we just provide that combined knowledge base to AI agent along with the Llama4 LLM model for answering various queries of users. So for vector database, we use PgVector. And for embedding, we use GeminiEmbedder. So GeminiEmbedder is based on for that you need to have a Gemini API key. Google Gemini API key is required. I will explain it later. And PgVector, this database that is running locally inside a Docker container. Locally, it will be running inside a Docker container. Vector database, PgVector. So in the application, user just needs to enter the query in the text box and then they just need to click on the answer button. Our AI agent, with the help of combined knowledge base and LLM, will answer the query and also display it there for the user. Now to run the PgVector in Docker container, so you need to follow certain steps. First step is you need to install Docker desktop. And then after installing the Docker desktop, you have to launch it and just keep it running. Then if you are on Windows, then open one command prompt and run this enter command actually. So Docker run for running Docker container, as you can see, Docker run and then -e this Postgres underscore DB, the name of the database, then user ID and then password Postgres. And then you have to specify the folder inside the Docker container, this PG data and then PG volume also if you want to save your data after like you stop the container or delete it, just so data will remain saved if you use this PG volume option, this one. And then after that you have to specify the ports, internal port, external port, etc. Then you have to give the name of the Docker container and then after that this one, I mean the Docker image that you are using, that you have to mention here. Okay, so I'll just show you the knowledge bases now. So one knowledge base is here. As you can see the URL, if you look at the URL, this agno.public.s3, it is in the summary, the S3 bucket on Amazon AWS, as you can see, for the Agno. And this is a one basically PDF which contains the recipes of some delicious Thai dishes. It's a very common and popular PDF. You might have seen it. It contains a lot of yummy recipes of Thai food. So this is our URL based knowledge base. Another is locally our local like knowledge base. So inside the data folder, in our working directory, there's a data folder, and inside the data folder, you will find this paneer tikka masala. That is Indian recipe, as you know, paneer tikka masala recipe. So we have like two knowledge bases, and then we are going to combine them. One is local, another is on the URL. So we're going to just combine them, and then we are just going to build the application. So now I will launch the app and show you in action. So this is the script name of the Agno underscore AI agent combined knowledge base 1.py. Let's run it. Yeah, this is how it looks like. As you can see, Agentic AI application with combined knowledge base. And then you have to ask your question or query here. So you can ask any question like, let's first ask some question about the Indian recipe, the paneer tikka masala recipe. So we can just say like how to cook paneer tikka masala. How to cook paneer tikka masala. Just click on the answer. It will take some time. Yeah, we have some results. Let's look at it. So basically it will, get the recipe from the knowledge base, this knowledge base, the local knowledge base, which is lying in the local folder. So paneer tikka masala ingredients, then marinade, masala and other things. Then the detailed recipe is also their preparation, how to prepare it, etc. And if you look at this, to cook the paneer tikka masala, you will need to follow the ingredients: 1 pound paneer Indian soft body cheese cut into half-inch cubes. So as you can see, it is just following this knowledge base actually. It got the extracted the information from this knowledge base only. The oil, 1 teaspoon TBS teaspoon full oil, can use ghee or grapeseed, canola oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, etc. So exactly matching, the marinade, half cup plain yogurt, the ghee. So you can just follow. I mean, basically, it has extracted all the information from this local knowledge base intelligently based on our query. Then the masala, then so exactly same thing. And then preparation is there after that, step by step preparation instructions. So if you look at the instruction also, it mostly it has taken from that. I mean, almost all it has taken from that in a large, non-reactive bowl. All these things, exactly same thing. Okay, now we are going to ask another question, but this is about some Thai recipe. So you can say how to cook any Thai dish. You can select. I mean, but actually we're not using the entire, this document, which is a 14 pages document, too long. We are not using the entire document, only just some part of that. So uh, anyway, this one we can maybe select Pad Thai Gong Sot. It's a popular Thai dish. Pad Thai gong shot. How to cook pad Thai gong shot? Let's click on answer. It will take some time actually because yeah, to cook the pad Thai gong shot, follow these steps. So if you look at this, I'll just zoom it a little bit. Yeah, so if you look at the direction, soak the thin noodles for 5 minutes in water before cooking to soften. So all these things, yeah. So it has taken from here only. To cover the heat, 1 teaspoonfuls of vegetable oil in pan and fry garlic. All these things. Yeah, you can see, you can follow that. Similar the ingredients. If you look at the ingredients of 5 filled Thai shrimps and then 1 teaspoonfuls chopped garlic. Yeah, you can see that. So it has basically extracted this information or data from that the knowledge base, URL based, URL knowledge based, that PDF for Thai recipes. It has. And if you look at the console, like ignore these messages. Yeah, you can see that it is basically reading this Thai recipes or PDF, and you see the added 0 documents because the only it has been implemented in such a way that only first time it will basically it is stored in the database, vector database. So it what it does, it basically creates the embeddings. So of this from this data, PDF data, started PDF data, it creates creates the embedding using the Gemini Embedder, and after that it stores in the PgVector database. Okay, but it does only the first time. Second time when you, because there is an option, if you set it to false, then the next time it won't repeat this process again and again. There is no need to store again and again. Only the first time it will do, and then after that it will be able to extract the information from that. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and even we can try the next one also. If you want next one also, we can try Tom Kha guy. Let me copy and paste it, and then how to cook Tom Kha guy. I think I have copied it correctly. Yes, just click on the answer button. Yeah, it has extracted the information from this knowledge base. To cook Tom Kha Gai, you can follow this recipe. Ingredients: 150 grams of chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. So we can check that also. Yeah, so 150 grams of chicken cut into the bite-sized pieces, and then 50 gram sliced young other ingredients. Yeah, they're matching actually the same directions. Also bring the chicken stock and the coconut milk, all these things. So yeah, bring the chicken stock and then coconut milk. So it has, from this knowledge base only, it has you know uh, extracted this information and answered the query for the user. Okay, now I will briefly explain you the code, Python code. Let's switch to Spider. Yeah, first step is you have to install Agno. Um, Using pib install Agno, and also pib install, you have to do MCP also, you have to and then other libraries also you have to install. Then you have to import the necessary libraries like agno.agent, import agent class, agno.knowledge.combined. So agno.knowledge.combined, there is, you have to import this combined knowledge base. So they have a class called combined knowledge base. Then agno.knowledge.pdf, PDF knowledge base, and then agno.knowledge.url. So that is a separate class is there, the PDF URL knowledge base. Okay. So we need these three: combined PDF knowledge base as well as PDF URL knowledge base. All right. Then agno.vector.pgvector, you have to import a PgVector. You need PgVector for VectorDB database. Then import OS, and then you have to agno.embedder.google, Google embedder.google. You have to import this Gemini Embedder, the Google Gemini Embedder. You have to import, and then after that agno.models.grok, you have to import the grok, because we'll be using the Llama4 model through the grok cloud only. After that .env, load .env for environment variables, loading the environment variables, and Streamlit as usual we need, and then load .env, then means we are loading all the environment variables basically. Then this is very important, db underscore URL, the database URL. So the database URL is a PostgreSQL plus psychopg colon, then colon AI. So everything is AI, our you know username, password, and database name, everything is AI locally. So then localhost, my machine, that is port number 5532, database URL. After that, there is one function, the agent with combined knowledge base, KB knowledge base. You have to pass the query that is coming from the user. So first you have to create the URL knowledge base, knowledge base, PDF URL knowledge base. So PDF URL KB knowledge base is equal to PDF URL knowledge base class, and then you have to specify, pass this URL that is on the AWS, Amazon AWS, this one public dot Amazon AWS, then PgVector DB database is equal to PgVector, and then you have to give some table name, the PDF documents, and then your DB URL, database URL equal to database URL already we defined here. Then embedder is very important for embeddings, embedder equal to Gemini Embedder, and then here you have to pass the API key, Gemini API key, that is very important. Without Gemini API key, it won't work. So Gemini API key is very important, and make sure that you already sign up there and then get your free Gemini API key. The number of documents you can mention too, because if too many documents are there, I mean, like the problem is that you may face some limit issues. Okay, the tokens may get exhausted, so you may face the errors. Limit may exceed actually. So number of documents I'm putting 2, and then create local PDF knowledge base. So it will pick up from our local folder. So as you can see, data slash Ponitika Masala, that local PDF knowledge base. So here also you have to specify this PG like vector database, same vector database, PG vector. Table name will be like same as the PDF underscore documents, and this DB URL equal to DB URL, and then embedder will be this Gemini Embedder, same thing. After that you have to combine. So using this combined knowledge base class, then you have to we are combining, and you have to put the sources here. One is PDF URL KB, another is local PDF KB knowledge base. And then here also you have to specify this vector DB, PG vector, same thing, but only the table name would be different. It will be combined documents now, combining both. Okay, then embedder will remain same, DB URL will also remain same. After that, agent equal to agent class. That's you have to specify the model, that is the Llama4 model through grok cloud. The knowledge base equal to knowledge base. This knowledge base, combined knowledge base. This is the combined knowledge base. Then search knowledge equal to true. This is very important, so that it will whenever user will ask a query, it will be searching from the knowledge base. Okay, knowledge base only. Then this is very important. After that, knowledge base dot load recreate equal to false. This is very important. Only first time it will that extract the data from the knowledge base and create the embeddings and store in the vector database. Second time it won't do that. Recreation is false. Once it is there, second time it won't try. So it will save a lot of time and memory. So knowledge base dot load, we are loading the knowledge base, and once the knowledge base is loaded, Then next thing is output equal to agent.run. As you know, the agent.run, and then you have to pass the query and then markdown equal to true to get the output in the right format. So, and after that we are returning the output.content as usual. And then front end part as unit is written in the Streamlit, and then you have to just user has to give the query input. Actually here the st.text input, as you can see, user is specifying the input query, and then there is one button. We are adding one button, the answer button. As soon as the user will click on the answer button, then it will call this function agent with combined kb and that pass this user's query, and then finally we'll have the results. Okay, and it will be displayed over there, right? And here some just font size we are adjusting, and then some formatting, etc. And then so to make it look nice. That's it. Is a simple Python code, just 115 lines of code actually. Okay, so that is all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you like, please give a thumbs up. It will really encourage me to create more such videos for you in near future. Also, please do subscribe my channel if you have not done it yet. Please also share my videos with others, because other people may be benefited from that. And please um, write your comments or feedback in the comment sections. I would really appreciate that. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.